Welcome to a short video presentation about the Emercare product Vagine Refreshing Intimate Gel. Vagine is a product that takes care of the female reproductive system. As we all know, a lot of women are suffering from different types of gynecological issues. But why women are having these problems? Let me start first by giving you a short information about the parts and the function of a female reproductive system. Ovaries. It produces eggs for fertilization and female reproductive hormones such as progesterone and estrogen. Uterus nurtures the fertilized ovum and develops into a fetus until it's ready or mature enough for birth. Vagina. It connects the uterus and cervix to the outside of the body, allowing menstruation, childbirth, and intercourse. It is also a protective cover to the internal part of a female reproductive system. A woman's vagina also has a natural self-cleaning defense system that can protect and take care of its own. For better understanding, we are showing you a cross-section diagram of a vagina. And these are vaginal epithelial cells, superficial squamous flat cells, vaginal mucus. This is where the good bacteria resides. Lactobacillus is a beneficial bacteria found in the vagina, and it produces organic acid, antibacterial peptides, and bacteriocins. Organic acids gives the acidic environment in the vagina. Because vagina functions in a relatively acidic environment with approximate pH value ranging from 3.5 to 4.4. This is the first line of defense of the vagina against pathogens. The vagina also has a TLK receptor that can identify the molecule of a bad bacteria and send signals to the immune cells. Once the immune cells receives the signal, it will consequently produce immune proteins to kill specific bacteria. Therefore, in a healthy vagina, it is characterized by a sufficient of good bacteria and right pH. But there are times that a woman suffers discomfort in the reproductive system caused by some issues such as bacterial vaginosis that causes abnormal discharge, yeast infection which is caused by the overgrowth of candida which results to unbearable itchiness, trichomonas vaginalis which is caused by parasites, menstrual irregularities which is caused by hormonal imbalance. Typically, when a woman suffers from common gynecological issues, they follow some remedies that can possibly disrupt the natural defense system of the vagina, making it more vulnerable to pathogens and can cause more serious issues in the female reproductive system that might result to the following: deep infection, dryness, odor, and infertility. Now, allow me to present to you Emery's revolutionary product, Vagine Refreshing Intimate Gel. The only patented product that can balance the microbe and enhances the self-defense system in the female reproductive system. So what are the ingredients of Vagine that makes it very effective? We have the Vagine, the antibacteria and the immune peptides that stimulates the immune cells to kill the bad bacteria. Organic acids, seaweed extract, hyaluronic acid which has the moisturizing effect, polysaccharides that provides good nutrients to the good bacteria, vitamin E that helps in balancing the female hormones, and 100% essential oil that calms and soothes the skin. And here are the benefits of the Vagine. It enhances the good bacteria and inhibits the bad bacteria. It also has a moisturizing and a tightening effect and improves sex life. So on this slide, we will be showing you the feedback for those women who have used the Vagine Refreshing Intimate Gel. For optimum effect, it is advised to use Vagine daily for 2 consecutive weeks. If you wish to continue using Vagine after 2 weeks, it is advised that you should observe an interval of 2 days or 3 days. Stay happy, stay simple, and thank you for watching.